Hello, and welcome to the first episode of Cmake. In this episode, I'll tell you about Cmake and what is Cmake and why we need it, and uh, what important role is Cmake is playing in our day-to-day programming, and how the Cmake is working in the whole and what's the life cycle of Cmake and how the Cmake is helping you in your programming stuff and everything. So Cmake is it is just a configuration, is nothing but just a configuration file which just uh, contains some set of rules and some set of lines in us, we can say in simple plain English, which will generate and which will generate your libraries and executable code on a cross platform. Like your code can be built on Mac, Windows, Linux. Like the, you will be writing a one code or a single file of code, but your configuration will make it cross platform and easy to compile on any operating system. So Cmake is helping you to generate the cross-platform code, and it will save a lot of time to uh, focus on your code and writing a good quality code instead of worrying about how to uh, like change the code for every platform. Yeah, you need to change some things on we can say you need to change some sort of things in code to make it cross platform, but most of the things handled by the CMake configuration file. So that's all for the first episode. In the next episode, I will be helping you guys to how to set up the CMake and how the CMake you will set up CMake on your PC or laptop or anywhere, and and then we will move forward. So thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you all. Bye.